Hi, Helena here from Wolfnest Property Management, coming to you today with another video regarding all things property management. This week's topic is, does a property management company take care of all property maintenance? Are you a landlord or landlady in Salt Lake City? Are you considering hiring a property management company? Their services help shoulder the responsibility of your investment property, but not all of them are created equal. Not every property management company comes with a contractor that handles regular maintenance. Let's dive into some of the common responsibilities of a property management company. Marketing. A property management marketing team can help schedule open houses and advertise your properties for you. Tenant screening. Finding tenants is an arduous process. A property management company alleviates the stress by handling it for you. They perform tenant screening, which includes credit and background checks. Rent, collections, and evictions. A property management company acts as your accountant. They collect rent and distribute fees. Plus, they will handle the eviction process with you. Maintaining the look and structure of your rental property is crucial. You need to perform regular maintenance to ensure the home's survival. The primary responsibilities of property maintenance are lawn care, plumbing, and other requests. A full-service property management company will handle everything listed above. They will also have separate contractors that take care of the property maintenance. After the tenant makes a request, the property manager will contact the contractor to schedule the repair. Then they'll update you, the landlord, on the cost and repairs. When searching for a property management company, ask if their services include maintenance. This was another video from Wolfnest Property Management, coming to you with more tips and tricks. Stay tuned.